In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact FreshBooks support. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can get help fast. First, open FreshBooks in your web browser and log into your account. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. Make sure you're in the right account if you manage more than one business, and check that your internet connection is stable. This will keep the help tools responsive. Once you're in, take a quick glance at the top of the home screen so you're oriented for the next step. Next, look for the help icon at the top of the home display. Depending on your layout, it's usually in the upper corner and may look like a small question mark or a help label. Click that icon. This opens the help panel right inside FreshBooks, so you don't need to leave the page you're on. If a sidebar or pop-up appears with helpful articles or suggestions, that's normal. It's designed to get you answers quickly. From there, click on Ask Us. This is the direct path to support. Selecting Ask Us will open a chat window where you can communicate with the FreshBooks support team or their virtual assistant. It's a good idea to keep this window visible while you work, so you don't miss any replies. Finally, type your problem in the support chat. Be clear and specific so the team can assist you efficiently. For example, instead of saying, "My expenses aren't working," try, "I'm seeing an error when I try to add a new expense on the expenses page." If it helps, include relevant details like the page you were on and what you clicked just before the issue happened. You can also mention any steps you've already tried. Short, focused messages tend to get the fastest resolution. If the chat suggests an article that matches your issue, skim it while you wait. It might solve the problem right away. Otherwise, stay in the conversation and follow any prompts you receive. And that's it. Go to FreshBooks and log in, click the help icon at the top of the home display, choose Ask Us, and then type your problem in the support chat. Keep the chat open until you get an answer, and be as specific as you can in your description. This straightforward flow helps you reach support quickly and get back to your work with minimal interruption. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get the assistance you need right when you need it.